President Biden's executive order on crypto has been released, and this is something in the crypto space we have been worrying about for a very long time because we know that governments are cracking down and coming after crypto. So with this executive order, what is new? What is going to change in the crypto space? And the answer is nothing really. This news, many people look at it as very bullish, but there's nothing bullish about this executive order. But at the same time, there's nothing really bearish. This is very neutral. If we had to lean to one side, we could say this is positive news, a better outcome than we expected. And the markets have reacted in a very positive way. Bitcoin at 42,000, Ethereum at 2,700. And just a side note, we say we're in this crypto bear market, crypto is dying, and Bitcoin's at $42,000. Let that sink in, right? We think crypto is dying, yet Bitcoin is at $42,000. And I'm going to give you a summary of this executive order. This is coming from whitehouse.gov, and it starts out saying surveys suggest that around 16% of adult Americans, approximately 40 million people, have invested in, traded, and used cryptocurrency. So the government understands that this is here, right? They're not going to ban it. They can't make it illegal. It's already here. It's all over the world. If the government in the US bans cryptocurrency, they're just removing themselves from the game. So this is the positive part of this executive order, right? Crypto's not going to get banned, or it's not going to be made illegal, at least at the moment. And this is probably the most positive piece from the executive order. The United States must maintain technological leadership in this rapidly growing space, supporting innovation while mitigating the risks for consumers, businesses, the broader financial system, and the climate. So we know the United States at the moment is not going to ban crypto, but of course there's going to continue with regulation. There's nothing new here that we didn't already know. Yes, we know consumer protection, financial inclusion, responsible innovation. We know all these terms, right? The United States will continue forcing KYC on all US exchanges. They will continue to monitor and track crypto activity. They will ban freeze accounts that they find in bad standing. There will be likely a CBDC. They are going to explore a CBDC. We will continue to see the SEC crack down on crypto-related products. For example, we recently saw BlockFi get in trouble for offering interest on crypto. Now they paid a fine, and they will file with the SEC so that they can offer a product that is compliant. So there's nothing really new here. Again, I want to say this isn't bullish, right? This isn't news coming out saying, hey, you could do whatever you want with crypto. But at the same time, this is news that is not really surprising. We already understand that this was going to happen and this will continue. And then, of course, it also speaks about a central bank digital currency, exploring it and potentially implementing one in the future. And central bank digital currencies are a very, very dangerous idea. A lot of people will look at this news and say, hey, wow, CBDC, this is great. The government in the United States is getting into crypto. They want to explore central bank digital currencies. And while it sounds good at first, it's actually a horrible, horrible idea. And if you want to know why central bank digital currencies are so dangerous and why I believe CBDCs will send Bitcoin to astronomical prices, go ahead and watch this video, link right above and in the description down below. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.